What's up, guys? So this morning I'm going to make a crawdad trap. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Sierra Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit.
Shit's amazing.
This is a pretty simple build. I already cut the pieces out just to make it more streamlined for you guys. So I'm going to go through what I got here. Okay, so here's my diagram. Look out, sweetheart. Okay, so I've got 25 by 24. The 25 is the circumference. The 24 is going to be the length of the trap. So the 25-inch circumference, you divide that by 3.14, and it gives you 7.96, just under 8. I did my outside diameter of this at 8, and then my inside diameter I did it 2 inches. And so that's the 2-inch radius and the 8-inch radius. 2-inch, 8-inch. It looks out of sync here, but that's what it is. 16 inches total, 4 inches is the gap right here. And then you're just going to take that and you're going to connect that together. And so I'm going to make it a little bit tighter so it'll match. Okay? But it's going to be like that there. Alright? And so then that's going to go in the end of the cone on one side. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. Bada bing, bada boom. And then I'm going to make a collar with this guy right here. And so this is going to sit inside of here like this. This, and then this one will be the removable end, so it'll slide off and then you can get your crawdads out of the trap. Anyway, so that's the basic gist. Now if you want to skip the video, you can skip the video. Either way, thanks for watching. There it is. Yeah. Pretty simple little setup. Right here in the middle of the creek. I put the trap right down here. Now if you look, see they're all over. Right there. Right there. They're everywhere right here. So I'm just gonna leave this trap, and it's been a couple hours. Time to test our proof of concept. Yeah, they're all over down there. I want to see how many is actually in that trap though. Let's see how many we got in here. Oh, we've got quite a few in here. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, some of them are kind of small. I mean, that's not bad though for just a couple hours. Not bad at all. That's a solid proof of concept, guys. Okay, guys, have a great day.